Hello students, today we have to start here practice set 4.1. From this practice set we have to discuss here question number 6. Okay. So what is question number 6 here? Draw an isosceles triangle. Draw all of its median and altitudes. Write your observation about their point of concurrence. Okay, listen here. Which type of triangle is given here? That is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, what is meant by isosceles triangle? When the two sides of triangles are equal, then this is called as isosceles triangle. Suppose I want to draw here one rough idea or one rough diagram of the triangle. Okay. Suppose this side and this side are equal. Suppose this side is 2 centimeter and this one is also, then this one is also 2 centimeter and this one is suppose 3 centimeter. That means in this triangle, these two sides are equal. That is 2 centimeter and 2 centimeter. So this triangle is called as the isosceles triangle. Okay, isosceles triangle. Okay, so what we have to write? Isosceles triangles are those triangles. Yes, we have to write down here definition of isosceles triangles. This is only for your understanding purpose. This is not your part of your solution. Isosceles triangle. Two sides of triangle are equal, then it is called isosceles triangle. Okay, two sides are equal, then call it as isosceles triangle. Now next one, first of all draw the isosceles triangle. So how to draw the isosceles triangle with the two equal sides? So consider here or write down or draw the first isosceles triangle. Okay, so we have to draw one base of this triangle, this one. Okay, this is called as, suppose this one is called as the BC. Clear? Now next, so when we draw the same size of the triangle, then take the measurement of of the side. Suppose I want to make this side of this one is 5 centimeter. Okay, so take measurement of your compass in your compass with the 5 centimeter. Okay, you have to take 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter as you wish. Okay, suppose I want to take here 5 centimeter. So take the measurement as 5 centimeter. Then with this same this one measurement of this, you have to draw one arc here. Okay, suppose I want to take somewhat more measurement because this is base already 5 centimeter. Suppose I want to take 7 centimeter. Okay, then draw one arc here and one arc here. Clear? Now this is the intersection point. So join this point with A. Suppose this intersection point is A. So join AB and AC. Okay, so measurement of this AB is what? 7 centimeter. And this one is also 7 centimeter. Clear? So now we have to complete first part. Draw an isosceles triangle. So we have to complete this one. Isosceles triangle we have to draw. Then draw all of its medians. Okay. First of all, we have to draw the medians and then altitudes. Okay. So first of all, draw the medians or altitudes. Suppose I am to draw the median first. Okay. So what is median? Perpendicular line we have to draw with respect to the given vertices. Okay. So just remember here, up to the question of question number 5, we have to draw the median and altitudes in separate questions. But in this question, we have to draw the medians and altitudes with this same figure. So how to solve this? Okay. So first of all, draw the altitudes. So when we talk about the altitudes, we have to make the 90 degree, or we have to draw the perpendicular line. Okay. So we have to take this one, draw one perpendicular line here, and this is name it as, suppose, M. This is name it as M. So this is AM is what? AM is the altitude. Okay. Suppose I want to list out here altitude names. Okay. Altitude name segment AM. Similarly, we have to draw the altitude for this one. Suppose this is N. Suppose this is T. So which one is the altitude? Segment BT. Clear? Segment BT. Now next, for this one. Okay. This is R. Okay. So segment CR, also the altitude. So these are the altitude names here. Clear? Now next. So we have to complete here for drawing the altitudes. Now we have to draw here median. Okay. So median, how to draw the median? We have to take the more than half distance in your compass and draw one arc here, one arc here, with the same measurement, one arc here, draw light, somewhat light here, one arc here. Now cut this arc. And then we have to get these two joint points, this one and this one, and draw line. Do not draw dark line, okay, because okay, so this one is the median. What? This one is the median. Now next, draw the what? Draw the, this one is the midpoint and draw the median. That means same line is there. Correct? Same line is there. Correct? Now this is for first one. Now next, for this, we have to take the more than half. Next, draw one arc here. You have to draw one arc here, one arc here, and cut this arc. We have to increase this arc. Okay. Now we have to get these two joint points and then join it. Okay. So this is the midpoint. Now join this one. When we talk about median names, first name is what? Segment AM. Segment AM you have to draw here. Now next, this is suppose N. So segment BN is the another median name. Now for this one we have to draw the median. Take more than half distance and cut, join two arcs. Draw one arc here and here. Here one arc here and here. Now join these two. Okay, so this one is the yes. Then join QSC. Join SC. So this one is also the median, that is segment CS or SC. Okay. So for this one, what we have to conclude here? That is, this one is the G is what? G is the intersection point of the median. Suppose this one is the G. G is the intersection point of the median and this one is O. So this is the intersection point of altitude. So what we have to write here or what we have to get here, the centroid G and the orthocenter O lies on the line which is the perpendicular bisector of the base BC. Okay. So what we have to conclude here? The centroid G and the orthocenter O lies on the line which is the perpendicular bisector of base BC. Okay, this one is the base, BC is the base. Okay, so AM is the perpendicular line. So point G and point O lies on what? Perpendicular bisector of the base BC. So this is the conclusion or observation. This is what? Observation. Okay. So in this way we have to complete a question number 6. The one more question is there. So we have to complete this question in next video. So I hope you have to understand this question. So thank you for watching this. Please like it, subscribe it and share to your friends. Thank you, students.